Benefits of lukewarm water. Water is a precious gift of God. According to doctors, we should drink about 8 glasses of water a day. Along with plain water, drinking hot water also has many benefits that many of us are not aware of. Let us tell you how drinking lukewarm water has positive effects on health. Weight loss. Warm water is best for healthy metabolism. If you want to lose weight, in the morning first of all take a glass of warm water and lemon. Useful for cold, cough. Lukewarm water is best to cleanse the body from toxins. When you drink hot water, your body temperature rises, which causes sweating and the release of toxins from the body. Toxins in the body make you age faster. Drinking warm water repairs skin cells and increases skin elasticity. As a result, the affected skin becomes smoother. Lukewarm water is the best natural remedy for cold, cough and sore throat. It helps to remove of mucus from the respiratory tract. Cleanses the body of toxins. Prevents acne and pimples. Drinking lukewarm water also relieves the skin from acne and pimples. Useful for hair. Drinking lukewarm water is best for making your hair soft and smooth. It damages the hair nerves in the roots of the hair, which causes hair loss. Has better growth. Moreover, it also gets rid of dryness.